Welcome back to another video of making Old Stang great again. Today's actually Mother's Day for me when I'm filming this. You guys won't see it on Mother's Day because I think my videos are a week ahead of time right now. As far as I know, unless I decide to do 3 uploads a week instead of 2, which is what I'm aiming for right now, until I get more and more like actual content to bring you guys. But happy Mother's Day. Belated Mother's Day, if that's a thing. But yeah. I'm really lucky with my mother and my grandmother and my family in general. I've been really lucky to have a family that's as supportive as they are, and my mother has supported me through a lot of stuff and put up with... I'm a pain in the ass, let's put it that way. But I don't know how she puts up with it, but she does somehow. But anyway, I'm gonna paint some more on Old Stang before I go out and do anything for Mother's Day, just because I got to get this car out of the garage today, hopefully, so I'll finish this up later tonight. But I have to get it out today simply because I got a show coming up next weekend for the Lauryn Hill cruise-in, which is for the Lauryn Hill Foundation, supporting Lauryn Hill, who passed away due to a disease, which if you want to know more about her condition that she had, I'll put it down in the description. You guys can go check out their website and donate if you choose to. It's a great foundation. They do a lot of really good stuff. And this event that's coming up is probably my favorite one throughout the entire year and the one I'm most excited for. So I do have another part coming for New Stang, which I said I wasn't going to work on it for a little bit. I lied. I have something on the way for it. Hopefully it works. Second time's the charm with this part. We'll see. I'll go ahead and start painting. I'll show you. I got new paint. I did do some engine enamel over some of the rust fixing, well, the rust converter that I had. And I bought more of this stuff because I really like this stuff. I used it on my engine back in the day when I wanted to just clean it up a little bit, make it look somewhat decent. And black paint seemed like it did the trick because it was taped off really well. And the other thing I have is for the exhaust is this like really high temperature ceramic based paint. So hopefully this helps clean it up underneath, and then it'll be easier to see all the crap that needs cleaned off whenever this stuff doesn't work anymore. And then I am going to have to, I tried to fit the bumper back on, but I realized that the bracket that's in here is actually broken. I sheared a bolt off again. It's a bad habit, but I'll fix that later too. But for now, I'm going to just paint some more in here, which actually I didn't show you guys how that turned out. I was off camera when I did all that for some reason. I'm a horrible person, I know. But here's this. Oh, so undramatic. The light stopped working. So I need to finish this up, but it's gloss black engine enamel, and we'll spray the rest. And this light sucks. It's Harbor Freight light. But I got to get all up in there and everything because I haven't done it yet. I was running out when I got to this side. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and paint that some. And then hopefully we can get this thing back together in this video and get it back outside. And then I can focus on getting the R1 ready for that show. And then once that one's done, then I can put this one back in here. And yeah, it's a never-ending, like, vicious cycle of car stuff. So I'll go from Daleen that one to Daleen this one again, which is fun. I enjoy this car. I left it on an empty tank though, so that was a horrible, horrible thing to do to myself, I guess. So I'm back from all my family stuff today. I got everything painted and ready to go. It's not gonna look pretty. I'm far from a professional when it comes to paint. But I got everything underneath, well, for the most part underneath. I didn't do the exhaust yet. I'm gonna wait on that. But now I'm gonna polish it because since it's sat for so long, the paint's in pretty rough shape. I already clay barred it and everything. As you can see, there's a lot of swirls on it. Well, hopefully you can see it. I don't know how good the GoPro is gonna capture it because usually it has trouble getting all the good quality. Which brings me to another point. I'm thinking about getting a different camera. Let me know what you guys think, because my current big DSLR that I like using, the quality's great, the sound's okay. Problem is, it doesn't autofocus, which pisses me off. I makes it really hard to film stuff quickly. So I'm thinking about getting a new camera. I don't know, I think it could be a nice addition to the channel to have better quality video, because GoPros only do so much. They're great for certain videos, but not other videos. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna polish this up hopefully, and yeah. Now you guys have seen me polish cars multiple times in the past, so I'm not really gonna show that much. It's nothing new, it's the same thing I always do. So now I have it pretty much polished up. It's been a couple hours. I'm not going crazy with it because it's not gonna be perfect. Plus, I'm not trying to polish through all my clear coat because I got that part there peeling off, but I did try and shine it up a little bit. Looks okay. I mean, the paint itself doesn't look bad right now. We'll see how it looks when it gets back together. And I finally was able to put the last bolt into the fog light on there. And I polished the bumper up a little bit, cleaned it up some. Hopefully it looks okay. That chin spoiler didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. I think it just needs resprayed altogether with actual paint and clear, which I kind of figured that, but figured I'd give this a shot first before I did anything crazy. So now I'm going to do a time lapse of me putting everything back together, so hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this.
Only I can see it. Know I love the view. Climb under the sheets. Do just what you do. Put me back to sleep. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. You take a fucking bad chick, put her on a mattress. Baby, she's a savage, but she lets me have it. Oh, we getting at it, want a couple glasses. You could be my captive, baby, be proactive. She looking so attractive, dressed with the backlist. We can make it happen, you could be the captain. I'll take you to the cabin, penthouse mansion. And she used to acting, but I ain't casting. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. She feeling so lonely, everybody owns me. Treated like a trophy, everybody's phony. She stays so low-key, they don't truly know me. She just wanna show me, take it real slowly. She working long hours, taking long showers, chasing downers over the counter. She cashing in vouchers, screaming.
So as you can see, new Stang's back in the garage. This one's about to come back out, but I figured I'd move it in here for this videos, or for the sake of the video. But yeah, it's looking a lot better. There's a bug on my door. This car's seen better days, and it's looked better in the past. But it's interesting seeing these two in the same garage. I wish it could be like that all the time, where I actually had a space to put it. Hopefully soon find a house and I'll be able to put them both inside again, because that's why that one looks so bad right now. Yeah, I gotta load this one up for a ceramic coating I'm gonna be doing, or starting on tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing it throughout the week so that I can pay for more parts. It's so annoying, but this one's looking good. I'm happy with it. I put a nice, like a cream wax, I think it was. So it should look pretty good on there. I gotta get an actual picture of this because this isn't normal. I'm not used to getting too excited. I wish they were both in the same garage. Oh, I gotta find a place fast because I really want that. I really want room to work and not get in anybody's way. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting more on Project New Stang and Project Make Old Stang Great Again. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos, and drop a like if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living on Then that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, no, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with. I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all the fake shit the game has been paying.
We should make him think we're filming his flyby and just like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it?
Wow.